The EVC-HA1 offers a compact and space-efficient design, making installation easier and providing greater placement in a vehicle. On the side of the EVC is a USB port that can be used to charge a mobile phone or tablet. And like all EVC chargers, the EVC-HA1 comes with a 2-year warranty. Whether charging the battery on or off the radio, you'll find a precise fit and smooth radio insertion and removal. Tie-down strap can be removed with one hand. Precise fit. The battery or radio can be secured with the tie-down strap, and it's easy to use. It'll charge lithium-ion, lithium polymer, and nickel metal batteries. And the radio can remain powered on while charging. All L3Harris and Power Products batteries for the XL-95P and XG-75P are compatible. There is also a 4-unit version available, EVC-HA1-4. The 4-unit model offers a modular design, allowing assembly with 4 EVC-HA1s or any configuration of EVC models. This particular sample is configured with 2 L3Harris radios, a Kenwood radio, and a Motorola radio. EVC chargers have become the preferred solution for in-vehicle charging for public safety and industrial applications. When it's time for your next radio deployment, be sure to give us a call. We'd be happy to discuss pricing, availability, and how we can assist. Thanks for watching this video.